Hey viewers, I have been uploaded three military operations, that was Operation Polo, then Operation Vijay, then Bangladesh Liberation Bar, and this is the fourth operation that India took, and that is Operation Meghdoot, and it is of Siachen conflict in 1984. So the main reason of that operation was to capture Indra Kol, Sia La, Kyong La, and Bila Font La of the most important ridge, that is Saltaro Ridge. So after the independence in 1947, when Kashmir was a different part, means that Jammu Kashmir, and his king Raja Hari Singh do not want to join any country. So when Pak attacked on it, so Hari Singh wanted help from India, and on the signature of so after that, when India tried to stop them, then they have come up to some space, they have come to some area that is called POK. That so we stopped them up to the POK, and the reason that they captured, that is called Pakistan occupied Kashmir. So after that a line was drawn between both the countries, and that is called line of control, but that line is only up to the NJ 9842 point. So after that there was no line after NJ 9842, and that is the reason of dispute between both the countries around LOC, that after there is no line, so there is a different perceptions from both the countries, that the area is there, that the possession is there. So after that India came to know about that Pakistan was going to do something on the Siachen. So after that India made four groups, and four groups were after making this, four groups were sent to capture those 4 points, important points in the Siachen conflict. But we lost many soldiers due to harsh condition and terrain conditions. As you know that in Siachen conflict, in Siachen Glacier, this is the toughest place or habitat which you can survive. So we lost many soldiers, but we captured 4 areas, 4 points, major points, and this operation was successful.